Deep in the heart of an ancient forest, hidden from human eyes, lies a magical place called Twinkle Leaf Village. Tiny leaf fairies called Leaflins care for every tree, flower, and stream, keeping the forest alive and thriving. But one day, everything changed. Trash from the human world started falling into the village. The bright colors faded, and the forest grew silent. The Leaflins didn't give up. They used their magic, and the forest slowly bloomed back to life. As the sun set, the Leaflins smiled and whispered to the wind, "Even the smallest actions can make the biggest difference." Will you use your magic to protect the earth today?